baby and I just walked to the post office, and now we're on our way home. There was no mail, but hey, this is going to be my daily ritual, is walking to the mailbox, to the post office, just for that little bit of exercise, because I need it. See, I'm already out of breath, and it's only like 7, maybe 6 blocks or so. So yeah, there's the baby. There she is. Alright, so I just wanted to let you know what I'm doing this morning. I'm going to get home, and I filmed a short little video for my Glam channel. And now I'm going to go home, and I'm going to start on a video for my crochet channel. Yay! So, alright, I will talk to y'all later. Bye! Say bye!